bit of how I go when I'm doing one of these sort of dreamscape or something artistic in Photoshop. Just a little bit, not complete details of the entire thing, but how I go. This is a self-portrait, you might say, a young me and an older me in the back, and this is called Travelers Together. And that is a composite of lots of my images with other changes. So I start basically with a road, and in Photoshop I have various layers and things that I add. So I add another image of mine, and then I say, oh, I need a little bit of me with some shading, and let me add a big me here in the background. And let's see, I need some night skies. All of this takes a bit of time when you're doing it. And I said, I want to warp the road a little bit and turn it that way. Added some enhancements with shading, make it a little more like it's nighttime. Now let's see. Oh, I need a hawk there with me, and need to darken him up. Maybe add some clouds. I need to add headlight back there and work with it. Add some shading. Let's see, is that all the different layers? Yeah, that's all the different layers. And then I take it into Lightroom and I do a few more adjustments. And a piece like that is probably, I don't know, I've been working on that for several hours. When you look at it in this way, where layer, it looks like it's real quick, but it's actually not. It's quite a process. Anyway, that's called Travelers Together, and there are several versions of it that I have done. Thank you, Trey, for that commentary. Yeah, there's the main one. A little bit of a different take on it.